Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Guess what we are making today? Today we are going to be making garden egg sauce with unripe plantain. If you want to see this delicious recipe, make sure you watch this video to the end and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not to see more delicious recipes. Yeah, all my ingredients. This is the Titus fish. Yeah, I have grounded beef, and this is unripe plantain, and I have here garlic eggs, onions, and red pepper. This I'll be grinding them together after boiling the garlic egg. I have salt, I have green bell pepper, and seasoning cubes. So let's get started. My water has been boiling, so I will just add the garlic eggs and I will cook this for some minutes to allow it to get soft. And so we'll be right back to check it. So I just check it now and it's almost ready. Now I want to boil my grounded beef with seasoning. I added seasoning cubes, I added curry powder, thyme, nutmeg, and of course salt. And that was all I used in boiling the meat. All thing it will give the food another level of taste. So we don't dull, we have no dulling moment. Yeah, we give the VV. So if you have not subscribed to this wonderful family, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Should I come and lead that for you? Support your sister now, sure. So that is how we roll in this. So the garlic egg, I just check it. It is soft enough. So I will take it out. I will peel the back. You can see how I did it. I will peel it and then grind the grindable. I will add the pepper, onions, and the green bell pepper to it, and then blend it or grind it anywhere. You can correct me down in the comment section. English is not my language. I can't come and kill myself. Oh. People should not come and attack me. Oh. My village people don't come to the comment section, or you won't find me there. Our Titus fish is almost ready. Ready to go down the stomach. What is wrong with me today? Our fish is ready. So I will take this out now. You can see the water is getting ready to boil the plantain. Ooh, getting ready to boil the plantain. Yes, so today we are going to So now I will add my plantain and add salt so that the plantain will have taste. You understand? You can use yam for this recipe, or you can use plantain, whichever you like, whichever you prefer. So I use the two, is depending on my grief, you know what I mean. You can't not come be you can't come and be eating yam or plantain, so you have to be switching, you understand? In my fan So now is the time to fry the fireball. I added onions to the oil, and these are my minced garlic egg, pepper, onions, and the one I grounded earlier on. So I will cover it and allow it to fry a little, and you have to be checking it because you don't want it to get burnt. So I just checked the plantain, now it's well cooked. So I will take it out and drill out the water. I just come back to check my sauce is not yet ready, so I'll cover it again and give it another minute to get well cooked. So now I will add my seasoning cubes and salt, of course, and you don't want to make it to be salty, so you have to be careful while adding your salt. We don't want to come and be eating salty food. You understand? Salt is not healthy to the body. So I will give it a nice stir, and then I will cover it again. It is almost ready. It is almost ready. So now I will add the grounded beef that we cooked earlier on, and I will stir and give it some minutes. And now you have to check if everything is okay with your salt, your maggi, everything. If it's not, please feel free to add to your taste. You understand? Feel free to add to your taste. And we leave this to cook for another for some minutes, and then we'll come back to check it. Our garlic egg sauce is ready. If you know you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and leave a comment down below of what you like to be seen in my next video. It tastes really delicious. If you know you have not tried this recipe, what are you waiting for? Try it and come and thank me later. Bye bye. See you.